let's do some updates. And right now we're almost at the end of April, and so far these are all my plants that I planted. So this one is garlic chives. I have some tomato that's dying inside, but that one didn't die, thank God. I'll restart over. So that's eggplant over there, tomato, potato, my elderberry plant, more tomato. This is wing bean over here, and these small ones here are lettuce. Those are wing bean. Of course, the tomato, eggplant, more tomato. And then my banana from my brother, sister-in-law, Liza and Jay. And then taro over there, and more potato, more lettuce over there too in the corner. And this is my dwarf orange. Dwarf. See, look at all these. So that white stuff over there, those are seeds already. Dry flowers, and then the wind just blow them away, and they're just gonna scatter everywhere in my garden. This I have to remove. Maybe I can plant the tomato in there. These also I will have to remove because those are cabbages. So we have some tomato over here, and something. I don't really know what. I just put some seeds in there. But look at that. My strawberry. Okay. And more over here too. Strawberry. And more tomato, of course, in the corner. I'm using all the space I can get. Although I still have plenty over here. It's just not a lot of work. See, here in this area, I'll have to use it for something, whatever. I have to add some more soil, more good soil. And my eggplant, they're growing. And that's my dwarf calamondin. This is the lemon tree that we nurtured for like 5-6 years already. It took a while. There's already lemon over there. And then look at all those giant green onion. Those are celeries, of course. And over here, I scattered a lot of seeds for Egyptian spinach. And then, that's saluyot. There's a volunteer seed over there. And then tomato, sweet potato, more celery, lettuce, that pretty lettuce there, my favorite. And then artichoke over there, surrounded by celery. Eggplant, more eggplant. And that's Egyptian spinach over there too. That baby there of his taro. And more tomato, and eggplant. More lettuce over there. And berries. See, these are berries. Raspberry with lettuce. This will be the coriander. See, it's a cilantro plant, but then after they flower, they become coriander when the seeds dry. They're pretty. Then my favorite also, lettuce. Look at all that lettuce seeds that you can get and replant. I planted some ampalaya over here, but we'll see. And of course, more potato. That's a Japanese mustard over there, purple. And more tomato. Planted some seeds over here, but we'll see. And over there too. Moringa over there hiding with the potato and raspberry and tomatoes in the corner. And my gray zucchini is already maturing and flowering. And look at that over there. Hopefully it'll come true. Of course, my pechay, I try to scatter them. Look at all that one, pechay. I'm about to cook them soon. Make some tinolang mussels. Ano nga ba yun? Tahong. So these are, of course, you know, this is sitaw over here. Over there too, scattered. Hopefully they grow. And then this is purple basil. Purple basil. And then this, I got lucky for one ampalaya. Yeah, just one ampalaya so far. And then, of course, more gray zucchini. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. The nasturtium is flowering. Yeah. And then more purple basil over here. And then my tomato. Oh, yeah. I'm so happy. Because see, I have Malabar spinach growing. Malabar spinach, alokbate. In the Philippines. And look at all these tomatoes. Baby tomatoes. Baby tomatoes in the future. I mean, tomatoes, see? Ooh, look at that. Tomato. So yeah, at least I got Malabar spinach. I'm so happy. Except I have to find something to make it vine, because it's a vine plant. It's gonna be a problem. And then my peas, my okra. Ooh, look at that! Finally, they're growing. Yehey, okra. Finally, some of them are coming out. Thank you, Lord. They take a while. And then my purple beans. See, they're flowering already. See. Oh yeah, let's see. Look at that. The flower, it becomes the beans. Purple beans. We're gonna have plenty, hopefully. The ladybug. And my tomato, I gave some to my mother-in-law already. And then I still have this much. But at least I have this already over here that I'm nurturing. A few. I don't really need that much, but I just feel bad that if this plant here die, it's gonna be a waste. They're living things pretty much. But I can only plant so much because I don't really have that room. And my apple is tampurot. I guess I need to plant one more apple. I'll have to buy one more apple and find a spot for it. Bell pepper. Just don't mind the clothes that are hanging, because it's still better to use the sun to dry them rather than dryer, where you have to pay a lot of electric bill. Yay, yay. Plus, make use of the sun. It's free. And this is my calamondine. This is not the dwarf one. This is the regular calamondine one. And then my asparagus. It's growing again. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! I hope I don't forget to get that one. And then some seed, because I just keep dumping soil. And then sometimes I put seeds on them, then I get impatient. So here they are, just everywhere. And then these are gonna be flowers. And then sage, and then that's garlic chives, leftover cabbage, more garlic chives, and that's garlic over there. That's giant garlic over there. So yeah, and so far, if I keep nurturing this plant, we'll have more calamondine coming this whole year. Sometimes I get lazy, but at least I learned something that would make them actually flower and fruit. So it's nice. See all that. This whole summer and spring. I mean the spring, summer, and fall. And winter, we'll be enjoying that. Of course, more celery, but I'll be removing them soon too. The nasturtium. The baby nasturtium from the main plant. And this is my grapes. The grapes. And more gray zucchini over here. And then the sita over there, long beans. And then scattered Egyptian spinach, which is saluyot. And then there's peppers over there. Strawberry over there. I don't want them in the ground because they go viral. No, just kidding. They just spreads out. See, and this, look at that. Look at all the lettuce seedlings. See, I don't even need to replant any lettuce because every spring or winter they come out. Yep, that's it for my plant, for my backyard for now. Oh, I guess over here pa. See, more tomato here. And that's potato and raspberry there. That's my mandarin orange, which has plenty of fruit. And this is my bay leaf. Of course, the fig. And then my chili pepper, Thai pepper, potato, spinach, parsley over there, and tomato. I have lots of chili pepper this year. And then Malabar spinach here. Got lucky. And then that's a cucumber already. Loofah. And I have some ginger over here too. Ginger is speaking. Yeah. And then, ooh, we better catch up. See, all the mandarin orange. Right there. Right there. There's plenty of them. And that's it for my garden tour. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hopefully you guys learn how to plant also, because it's really fun.